if n is a whole number and 0.01 is between 1 over n and 1 over n plus 2, what is the value of n?
So what are they saying? They saying that they're saying that 0.01 is in between 1 over n and 1 over n plus 2, right? So look at this, Dmitry. Both of them are fractions, right? 1 over n and 1 over n plus 2. Those both of them are fractions, although the number that they want us to put in between is a decimal. So naturally, I want to make this into a fraction, from a decimal to a fraction, and see what it is. So what is the fraction? Is 0.01. What is it?
Wait.
Hold on. I want to ask Dmitry. Dmitry, what is fraction 0.01?
Like, what do you mean?
Every decimal can be written as a fraction. So 0.01 can also be written as fraction. Everything has two forms. This is one form. We need the fraction form.
1 over 100?
Good. It's 1 over 100. And now, if you're gonna start plugging in the answers for n, you will find the answer. It cannot be a 0. Why it cannot be a 0? Because we cannot have 1 over 0. Wrong. Then you're gonna plug in B, you won't find it. Plug in C, but plug in 99. Plug in 99 for n right now. What are you gonna have?
99 and 100.
1 over 99, right? And 1 over
101.
99 plus 2, which is what?
100.
100.
101. And we have 1 over 100. Look how perfectly in between 1 over 100 and 1 over 99 and 1 over... So 99, 100, 101.
You could have done elimination. We could have just crossed out A, B, and C.
I know, but just to make sure. Next. This is the last page you have, right?
Yeah.
I need your full focus here. I will do it this way today. I will solve these 4 questions, but I'll solve them like kind of thoroughly. Once I solve them and you make all the notes that I'm making, your homework until, well, besides what I'm going to put on Delta Math, if I'll put anything, that's going to be up to me. But your main homework will be to go over these questions and learn them to the point of, like I said, ability of explaining. Okay? So let's do it. When asked a certain question in a poll, 72% of people polled answered yes. If 56 people did not answer yes, what does that mean, did not answer yes? To that question, what is the total number of people who were polled? What does it mean, did not answer yes?
They'll 28%.
They said no.
Yes, they said no. Yeah. Yes. Did not answer yes is another say of said no, right?
Yeah.
I did not answer yes to this question. What does that mean? It means that I answer no. So that means that if 72% of people said yes, it means that the 28% of the people said no. And now they say that 56% of people did not answer yes. So it means that 56 people now,
Oh, we could use
said said no.
proportion.
Of course. What is the total number of people who were polled? So we don't even need that 72%. We can use a proportion. Of course, we can use a proportion saying that 56 people is 28%. How many people is 100%? Right?
Yeah. So
This times this divided by that. 56 times 100 divided by 28. And I can reduce.
200.
200.
I can reduce this and this. This will become 1, this will become 2. And 2 times 100 is 200.
That was simple.
It was simple. Relatively. But for an untrained person, it's not simple. Next question. A museum has a room. No, you know what? Azizjan hasn't read anything. Let's go.
Okay. A museum has a room in the shape of a rectangle. The area of the floor is 960 square feet. In a scale drawing of the museum, 1 inch is equal to 20 feet. If the length of the room is 2 inches in the scale drawing, what is the width of the room in the scale drawing?
That's pretty doable. The area of the floor is 960 square feet in a scale drawing. So let's say that this is not real. Let's say that we just drew scale drawing. 1 inch is 20 feet. Okay, so this is like a conversion rate. If the length of the room is 2 inches, so the length is 2 inches, right? Now let's convert the area. I wouldn't even say that. Actually, we don't even need to do that. Okay, so that means that if, okay, yeah. So in a real room where it's 960, these 2 inches will actually be what? Will actually be 40 feet. Is that right?
Yes.
So this is 40. Okay, if this is 40, what this will be?
It needs to add up to 920 feet.
No, it has to multiply and not
Yeah.
920, 960. So it's going to be, we're going to have to do 960 divided by 40, which is
Oh.
what?
24, I think.
Yeah, it's 24.
2. Yes.
It's 24, yeah.
So that means that if the length is 40, the width is 24. And now we have to find out 24 in feet is how many inches in the scale drawing. For that, you can use a proportion if you want. We can say 1 inch is 20 feet. How many inches is 24 feet? Make notes if you think you can forget it. It's going to be 1 times 24 divided by 20. So it's going to be 24 over 20, which is going to be 1 and 4/20, which is 1 and 1/5.
So 24 was the feet.
Mm-hmm. Two more questions. Ask me a question if you don't understand something here in 71. No? Okay. A program on a computer randomly generates a sequence of whole numbers, 1 through 9 inclusive. If the computer generates a sequence of 300 numbers, what is the best prediction? Oh, probability of the number of odd numbers in the sequence. For us, it's a piece of cake, guys. What is the probability of getting an odd number right now from 1 to 9? From 1 to 9 is how many numbers?
5 9.
So it's going to be 1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 9, right? Which
So
is 5
five
out of
out of
9
9. So if you do the
times
proportion.
300.
300.
Yeah.
100.
So it's going to be they say what is the best prediction. So it's not going to be like exact. It's going to be like a little off. And that can be proven on the calculator. 5 times 300 divided by 9. Oh, divided by 9, divided by 9. 166.6, which is 167.
167.
Proportion would be like this: 5 over 9, x over 300. Like that. That would be a proportion. Well, that's easy. Well, that is an easy question, no?
Yeah.
Finally,
Last question.
last question. A truck rental company. Oh, no, you know what? Dmitry, let's go. You again.
A truck rental company charges a one-time fee of $40 plus $1 per mile driven. Dahlia rented a truck and used a coupon for 20% off the total rental cost. After the coupon was applied, she spent a total of $60. How many miles did she drive?
Okay.
Oh.
So after the so this is the hardest part of this question is after the coupon was applied, she spent 60. So we need to find out how much did she spend before the coupon. Before the coupon. How do we do it? We say that $60, right, is 80% of the price. How much was 100% of the price? Who doesn't understand this idea, or everybody does? Why $60 is 80%? Because it's a discounted price.
Because it's a discount.
Yes. So now it's this times this divided by that. So it's 60 times 100 divided by 80. So 0, 0. And then we can divide by 2. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 5. Divide by 2 again. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 30. So divide by 2 again. It's going to be 1. This is going to be 15. 15 times 5, 75.
75.
So the price was $75 before the coupon. So now let's subtract the $40 fee from that $75 spending.
35.
$35. And if $35 she spent and $1 per mile, how many miles did she ride?
35.
35.
35. That was easy.
Not everyone understands how to get, like, this is a real life situation because, like, let's say if someone says, whoa, I had a 20% coupon and I paid $60. Not everyone knows how to find out what was the original price. Do you understand? Not all adults know how to do it. Go ask someone. No, I mean, adults not gonna like that you ask them that question. But not all adults will know how to do it. How to do it exactly. I mean, not like approximately. Oh, that was maybe 70 or 80. No, like exactly. Is everyone clear? Like what's the homework is and how I'm gonna check it and how important it is?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
that's how we're going to do. That's how we're going to do everything. Okay. Now I'm letting everyone go except Samir. I wanted to ask you something real quick. So, to everyone else, I say bye bye.
Oh, that's it. The class is done.
Yeah. I wanted to do a
Okay.
shorter class, just explain the questions.
Bye,
Okay. Thank
Roman.
you. Bye.
Bye. See you Sunday. Don't be late, Michi.
Yeah, I know.
Samir, how do I? Um, I wanna give a call to Khurshad parents. How do I do it?
Oh, you need their phone number.
Do you have it?
No, I don't have theirs. You
How
have
do
to
I
call
get
my
it?
mom. You have to call my mom.
Does she know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Hold on. I need to write down your mom's number then.
Don't you already have it?
Maybe somewhere. You don't have it? You don't remember it?
I remember it.
Okay, so say it.
917
Huh?
414. Wait,
Four
aren't you
one.
streaming?
No. That's